Hello, and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check your watch list on the Onn TV Box. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So we're going to do this by going to the profile. So the current profile I'm with is the DaveTech profile. Just scroll down to watch list, and if you click on this, you're going to find all the shows, movies, and stuff you've put under watch list. So how you do this is when you're watching or browsing, you could click on a certain program or show and add it to your watch list. And whenever you return, you don't need to go back to the same place you found that show or movie. Just come to the watch list and you're going to find them here. I have none here because I've added none to my watch list yet. But this is the process to add a show. You come here and you see everything that's in your watch list. So if you found that insightful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for content just like this.